Welcome back to Sri Lanka Sanchare. Today, we invite you to experience elegance high in the hills, to a place where luxury meets nature. Welcome to the Feel Luxury Boutique Hotel in Ella, Sri Lanka. As you arrive at the Feel, there's a sense of timeless elegance, with stone walls, lush gardens, and panoramic views. This hotel feels like a private sanctuary tucked away in Ella's hills. A stay here is not just about a room. It's about stepping into a world where every detail is crafted to delight the senses. Here in the suites, every corner whispers comfort. The Feel's design blends modern luxury with classic charm, from the polished wood floors to the cozy reading corner by the window. Imagine opening those tall glass doors in the morning and greeting a gentle mist drifting through lush valleys. This is the kind of wake-up call that dreams are made of. The dining experience at the Feel is nothing short of magical. Each meal is an elegant journey, combining authentic Sri Lankan flavors with international finesse. Dine under an open sky with Ella's hills as your backdrop. Whether it's a peaceful breakfast or an intimate dinner, every moment feels curated just for you. One of the most unforgettable features here is the infinity pool, where you can float above the valley, feel the cool mountain air, and let the world fade away. And for those looking to truly unwind, the Feel offers bespoke wellness experiences, because luxury should nourish both body and soul. Staying here gives you not just serenity, but access. Ella's most iconic sites are just moments away. You can hike, explore, or simply wander through tea gardens right from your doorstep. The Feel serves as your elegant base camp for adventure. Come for the calm, stay for the journey. What truly defines the Feel is its people. The staff's warm hospitality and attention to detail make the stay feel personal, like you're part of an exclusive retreat, not just a guest. Here, service is not just part of the experience, it's the heart of it. As the sun sets over Ella's hills, the Feel Luxury Boutique Hotel invites you to pause, reflect, and soak in every moment. This isn't just accommodation, it's a memory in the making. Thank you for joining us on Sri Lanka Sanchare. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more hidden gems from around Sri Lanka. Until next time, Ayu Bowen.